If I lost everything today, my business, my network, even my money, what I'd do first, I wouldn't start another company, I wouldn't spend months building a website, and I definitely would not go back to university. I'd spend the next 20 hours learning one high income skill that could start paying me almost immediately. Here's exactly what I would do. Why most people stay stuck. Most people don't have an income problem. They have a skill problem. They spend years hoping for a promotion, waiting for the perfect opportunity, or thinking they need another qualification before they can earn more. But the highest paid people usually have one thing in common. They've developed skills that businesses are willing to pay a premium for. The good news? You don't need years to get started. The 4-hour rule. Here's the rule. Spend 4 hours every day doing deep, focused practice. No distractions, no social media, no checking your phone, no multitasking. Set the timer, pause it whenever you lose focus. Only count the time you're actually learning. After 5 days, you have completed 20 hours of deliberate practice. That's enough to build a strong foundation in many high-income skills. So skill number 1, sales. If I had to recommend just one skill, it would be sales. Not because everyone should become a salesperson, because sales teaches you communication, persuasion, confidence, negotiation, and problem solving. Those skills increase your value in almost every career. Even better, many sales roles don't require previous experience. Companies care far more about attitude, coachability, and your willingness to learn than a perfect resume. If you can learn to communicate value and solve problems for people, you'll always have opportunities. Skill 2. Learn to sell existing products. One mistake many entrepreneurs make is trying to create their own product before they've learned how to sell. Instead, learn to sell something that already exists. You'll gain real-world experience without carrying the risks of building an entire business from scratch. Sales first, products later. Skill 3, flipping. Another underrated skill is buying undervalued items and selling them for a product. Start small, so furniture, electronics, collectibles. As your knowledge grows, so can the value of the assets you buy and sell. The principles remain the same. Find value, buy well, and sell better. Learn the language. Here's something most people overlook. Every industry has its own language. If you're learning sales, study how top salespeople speak. Watch interviews, read books, listen to podcasts, learn the terminology. When you walk into an interview already speaking the language of the industry, you immediately stand out. Practice before you apply. Don't just learn the skill, learn how to communicate your ability. Watch mock interviews, practice answering common questions, record yourself, improve your confidence. Many people know enough to do the job. Very few people know how to present themselves as the obvious choice. The bigger lesson. This isn't really about sales or flipping or any specific skill. It's about building the habit of focused learning. 4 hours of deliberate practice every day compounds quickly. Most people dramatically overestimate what they can achieve in one day, but underestimate what they can achieve in 1 month. The person who commits to focused learning consistently will almost always outperform the person waiting for the perfect opportunity. Challenge. Here's my challenge for you. Choose one skill, commit 4 hours of focused learning every day for the next 5 days. No excuses, no distractions, just deliberate practice. Then come back and tell me what changed. You might be surprised how much progress you make in just 20 hours. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more practical advice on business growth, high income skills, marketing, leadership, and personal development. And let me know in the comments, if you had to learn one high income skill from scratch today, which one would you choose and why? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.